Hi friends, glad to have you back again on this channel. So quickly I'll be showing you how to cut a 180 degrees flare. If this sounds like what you love, kindly watch to the end. So first you get your fabric, you fold it into two, then you fold again to form a triangle. So you'll be having that apex and your measurements will be taken from that apex. So how do you get your waist measurement? You just take your round waist measurement and you divide it by 3.14. Okay, so when doing that, take note of your sewing allowance. Okay, you can add it to it or you can do that after you must have marked it. Very easy. So from that point I took my waist measurement, and the next thing is to determine how long I want the flare to be. Again, add your seam allowance. So I just marked it right there, and it's now time to cut out. Okay, so when you cut out, you should have something like this. So very easy. This is how you cut your 180 degrees flare. If this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in my next one. Bye.